For this question, you're going to need to make sure that you're reading the question carefully and looking for keywords, marking the text. Y'all do not mind the football in the background. The Patriots are currently getting beat. So the amount of acetone in nail polish remover decreases at a rate of 8% per year. And it says the amount of acetone in a regular bottle of nail polish remover is 18 milliliters. So which function models the amount of acetone left after X years? So guys, if we see this word decreases, that means we're going to be dealing with the decay function. So let's think about for decay, it's going to be y equals a times b to the x. Unless they don't give us the actual b and we have to find the b ourselves. So if we come up here, it says that it decreases at a rate of 8% per year. So that means we're going to have to use this formula. And we'll choose to use the minus sign because it's decreasing at a rate of 8% per year. So remember, A is the initial amount. So in this case, 18 would be our A. So we'd have y equals 18. And then open parentheses 1. And then it says it's decreasing at a rate of 8% per year. So I'm going to subtract that 8%. And you just have to remember to change that 8% to a decimal. So 0.08. And then to the power of x. And then from there, you just need to simplify this middle section. And you should be able to find the correct answer. But the really important thing here is that you see that we have a decay and it's decreasing. So no matter what, your B value should be less than 1.